This is just a creative idea based on personal preference. We would greatly appreciate your support for the channel by please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Thank you. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you attached a cordless drill to a bicycle? It sounds a bit ridiculous, yet incredibly intriguing. Not everyone dares to try something this unusual. Just an old bicycle and a familiar cordless drill. No high-end technology, no expensive equipment. Only creativity and a passion for exploration. Every detail is assembled with patience. Everything looks rough, yet carefully thought out. The moment the drill is switched on, everyone holds their breath. Will it actually work? And then, the bicycle begins to move. Not fast, not powerful, but enough to make you smile. Because the idea has worked. It reminds us that creativity doesn't have to be perfect. You just need the courage to begin. No one knows what the outcome will be, but experimentation itself is where the joy comes from. This is not just a bicycle. It is the result of imagination and courage. A small idea from everyday life, yet it can create something truly fascinating. Creativity always begs. If anything is not quite right during the process, we would greatly appreciate your feedback. Please leave your questions below. Or if you have any good ideas, please let us know. This is just a creative idea based on personal preference. We would greatly appreciate your support for the channel by please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Thank you. The product of combining a cordless handheld drill with a bicycle is now complete. Let's enjoy the result, everyone. See you in the next video.